Welcome to FECA. This video will show you how to install FECA suction cups. First, keep the surface dry and clean before use. If you are using this for the first time, remove the white dust cover from the suction pad. Make sure there is no lint or debris. If the suction pad is unclean, clean it first with water or a non-toxic cleaner before applying. Any debris on the surface will decrease the suction power. You can also use masking or regular Scotch tape to remove any remaining debris from the suction pad if needed. Before installing, if you want to improve suction power, we suggest lightly dabbing water around the perimeter of the suction pad. To install, please follow our simple step-to-step guide. Firmly press and hold the suction cup to remove the air underneath. While continuing to hold the suction cup, close the locking device to secure the suction. Certain surfaces may lack support to push against during installation. You may need an extra hand to support from the back of the surface. The following are examples of different locking styles depending on your product. Press and hold the suction cup with one hand and use the other to lift the hook upwards to push in the FECA tab. Then, pull the hook down. Press and hold the suction cup with one hand and use the other to swing the holder completely to the right to push in the tab. Then, return the holder to the desired position. Press and hold the suction cup with one hand. Then push the tab down with the other hand. Press and hold the suction cup with one hand and turn the nozzle all the way to the right with the other. After installation, we recommend waiting 24 hours to test surfaces before use. Now your FECA products are ready to use. For more details, review product instructions on the packaging or on our website. For questions regarding installation, please contact our customer service team. Thank you for using FECA, the best suction cup solution.